Yes, guys, free lead generation tools. Let's go. So the best way to get free leads really is through the socials, and people know that, right? So social media is the best way of doing it. So, I have a podcast with a couple of friends of mine, and you can see here some of the videos of the podcast, and you can see I post it on my Instagram, right? Instagram page. You can see it here. This is my Instagram page, the Behavior Trainer, and I got a link, guys. I got a link to something which connect like a landing page, right? And the landing page can capture, if you like, the lead generation, the emails, guys. So Instagram is a kind of free way of getting leads, right? And connecting it to something called a link tree. I'll explain that a little bit more in a minute. And then we've got our TikTok, our Teachers from the Hood as well. We got a Teachers from the Hood for Instagram, but I just showed you my own personal one, which I post on there as well. And here's our Teachers from the Hood podcast. 3 teachers talking about teaching and so on. And again, what we have is we post our videos, and we also we have our link tree. Now, in terms of getting the lead generation and to capture emails, guys, this is how we do it. You get something which is called Linktree, right? Linktree is fantastic because what it does, it ties everything together. And so what it is a platform in a way that has a way that you can add all your links to it. So, for example, we have our YouTube episode link. We got the talking about Best Teacher Side Hustle, coaching, free downloads, and so on. Now, for getting your lead generation, the best way to do it is obviously to give something away, to give something for free. And in this case, because we're talking about teaching in this podcast that we do, we're giving away teacher-related things. So obviously, think about what it is that you want to do, and what you want to give away related to your business or whatever it is that you're doing. So, we've got a free download, free secrets to reduce teacher stress. We've got a free download here, how to create an outstanding lesson. And what we do is we give away a free PDF with lots of tips and lots of advice, right? So if I click on one of the tabs here from Linktree, the Linktree will take you to, we've created then from the Linktree, we've created something called a landing page, which probably many of you know. The landing page is what allows for us to capture the lead generation or their email. So we'll capture the email once they put their email in, and then when they click submit, they will get their free PDF of reducing stress for teachers, and they'll get that in their inbox. And at the same time, we will also capture the email. So that's a fantastic lead generation. Now, the process from the Instagram and from your socials is free, or whether it could be YouTube as well, because we do YouTube as well, is actually free. That side of it is free. But to actually create the landing page and what captures the email, we use something called Kajabi, right? And this is Kajabi. And it does cost to actually create this. But the reason why it costs is because it's so powerful. It actually allows us to create our website on Kajabi. So we create our website, which is this. We got our blog on Kajabi. We can put our podcast on Kajabi. We can create landing pages, like fantastic landing pages that actually funnel and take through our email list. And not only that, but it also is really good at course creation. You can actually create fantastic courses on Kajabi. So if you want to have a little trial of it, click the link in my description. You get a 30-day free trial. And like I said, it's very popular. So we use Kajabi to create our landing pages, like I said, that look a bit like this, and then we'll capture the emails. So this is a really fantastic, on the social side, it's a free way, but obviously to capture it and to be able to use it and to work on it and to do website with it, then obviously there is a cost to it. But it's a fantastic way of getting lead generation. Now, we also do something else, which is called YouTube. And YouTube is another fantastic way of generating or getting leads. So this is our YouTube channel. If I click on the YouTube channel, guys, you'll see this is a new channel of ours. Oops, sorry. There's a new channel of ours. Again, so what we do is we connect everything together. Look, we've got our Spotify, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, website, everything, blog, everything there. and they all come together use it for lead generation. So if I go to videos, for example, manage videos, you'll see that in the description of the videos. Now, videos are free to do on YouTube. It's fantastic because it's a free method, and we've got a podcast anyway. So all we do is film our podcast, and then that literally is called video podcasting, right? So we go to our videos, guys, and literally let's just take the last video that we've done. I'll click on it. Don't worry, I'm not going to play it. Actually, I'm going to pause it. So I'll pause that, and then I'll go down, and it shows you in the description all our links. So anyone that watches the video will go down, and then they'll say, "Yep, fantastic. Let's get the free PDF on lesson plan, simple lesson plan tips." Click on it, and then there you go. It goes straight into the landing page for the email capture, which is amazing, guys. And then we'll have the email where we can give them extra content. Sell them maybe if there could be courses that we're creating, some other things, and then we're building our email list, which is amazing. And then we're also linking over to our other things, our socials, which are there at the bottom, and then we can also go to the link tree, which is here. And our link tree links everything together, guys. Like I said, it links everything together. You got our PDFs, our coaching, everything that we do. So, guys, in terms of generating leads, this is a fantastic way of doing it, guys. And like I said, if you're interested in YouTube videos, guys, because the thing is, YouTube videos are fantastic to do. And like I said, it's like literally just free. So if you're interested in doing YouTube videos, you also need to think about maybe optimizing the videos. So optimizing being seen on YouTube, because look, YouTube is a bit like Google. If you go to search, it's very hard to find someone unless you optimize the video. And the way to optimize the video is to help you be seen and be ranked up on the search. So for example, if I type in teacher talk, I might come up on the ranking. But how to be ranked is you need to use something called SEO software. And the best SEO software that I use, and I think the best one's really around right now, is called VIDIQ and something called TUBEBUDDY. I use these two. I actually subscribe to both. And again, if you want to check it out, you get free trial in the link in my description if you want to see what it's about and how it works. Or you can just type in VIDIQ and TubeBuddy and just see how it works. But these are really fantastic ways of optimizing your videos so you're seen and you can get visitors on there. And literally, the more visitors you get on your YouTube videos, the more people are going to link at the bottom. Yeah. So guys, I hope you found value in this, and I hope you kind of, it makes sense. Like I said, check out the links in my description, and guys, check out my playlists as well. And if you did like the value, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, guys, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.